Welcome to Branching Out. I'm Jenna Muller, a professional learning coordinator with the Kane County Regional Office of Education. Metacognition, thinking about one's thinking. Did you know that metacognition has an effect size of 0.69, making it one of the most effective teaching interventions? Metacognition allows students to reflect on and question their learning. When students think about their thinking, they are able to identify what they do and do not understand. Take the following scenario. A student is reviewing for a science assessment tomorrow. After looking through their notes, practice problems, and past formative assessments, the student pauses and reflects on what they know. The student realizes that they feel confident with 3 of the 4 sections, so they decide to spend the next 30 minutes reviewing the one section they don't feel as confident in. This is an example of a student engaging in metacognition. The ability for students to monitor their own learning is powerful. However, students aren't always cognizant of what they do not know. One way you can encourage metacognition in your classroom is through Metacognition Line-Up, created by Megan Nellis, found in Powerful Teaching, Unleash the Science of Learning by Pooja, Agarwal, and Patrice, Bain. Prior to the activity, assign one wall as confident of the term, assign the middle of the room as kinda confident of the term, and assign the opposite wall as can't recall the term. Or if conducting virtually, use a Google Jamboard with 3 columns. Feel free to scan the QR code for a template you can use. First, the teacher announces a key term and students silently try to bring that information to mind. Then, students self-assess their understanding of the term and walk to the side of the room, or if conducting virtually, students create a sticky note with their name on it in the column on the Google Jamboard that best describes their metacognition. Then, students match up with the person closest to them, or if done virtually, the teacher then puts students in 3 different breakout rooms based on their column. Students talk through what they know or make a guess about the term for 2 minutes. Then, students match up with a person as far away from them as possible. Or, if done virtually, students are placed into mixed breakout rooms to discuss, share, teach, and review the term for another 2 minutes. Finally, have a whole class discussion and ask students who originally couldn't recall information on the term to share what they learned, and ask students who did recall the information if there were any common misunderstandings they noticed based on their conversations. Metacognition Line-Up combines retrieval of information, feedback, and metacognition into the classroom, and is quick and flexible to use in all grade levels and contexts. How will you use a metacognition lineup to have the whole class think about their learning? It's your turn to branch out and share your experience with us. As always, thanks for watching Branching Out.